everyone, welcome to Dadi's Awesome Kitchen. Today I'm going to make pav bread. Let's just start with, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon salt mixed in here. And I have 1.5 tablespoon milk powder, which I'm gonna mix that in here also. And I got 3/4 of cup milk, warm milk, and 2 teaspoon of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I put in here warm milk, let it rise up like this. Keep it for 10 minutes till all the yeast bubbling up on the floor. Is already doing it. I'm gonna do is start making mixing with the flour. Here you go. It's all the way on the top. If it's not, then it won't work. So just put in here all of it. It's pretty simple. It's not hard to do. So like that. The dough have to be loose, very loose. I guess I need a little bit more water in here.
Here I have 1.5 tablespoon melted butter.
The dough have to be very sticky and very thin. If you need, you can put some more water, which I did. I put like 1/4 cup of water in here. So you just have to go like stretch it. You have to keep stretching it. You have to do at least 10 minutes. Stretch. Dough with the scooper and do it a stretch again.
You have to stretch this dough for at least 10 minutes.
So I put a little bit dry flour around here, so get all the dough out here just like that. There you go. A little bit more. Just brush a little bit. It to be sticky, just like this. So it is sticky. It's good. So I'm gonna put this in the middle. You don't have to have a big pot, but you can do on the counter, but I thought I'd just do in here because I have this big pot. So leave it. I'm gonna brush it with the oil like that, so it doesn't get dry. Just like that. So I'm going to cover it and put it away for 45 minutes to rise up. After 45 minutes, we do another round. There you go. It look like that after 45 minutes. And now I'm going to turn it around a few times, like stretch it a few times, and then put it back for 45 minutes after that. Just keep doing this. You need to stretch, stretch, stretch. Just cover with the okay, there you go. Makes the dough softer. Just put it like this, and I'm gonna cover it like that again and put it away for 45 minutes. So there you go. After second time, 45 minutes later, that's how it look like. Now I'm gonna make balls and just take all the dough out of it. And I'm gonna take it from here and put it here. Scoop all the dough from here. Do that a few times. Fold it in. Not pressing it down. Sticky, paper is be sticky. That's how we want it. It's sticky. So I'm gonna try to make it all even. Just folding it in like that. Just like this.
That's how the balls look like.
Yeah. So I'm gonna wrap it with the plastic wrap and put it away for another hour, just like this. And let it rise again. Then we cook it. There you go. After 1 hour, all the balls are rised up. So I'm gonna brush with the milk softly. You don't want to press too hard. Very soft. There you go. My oven is ready. So put this in the oven and do it very softly. You don't want to flatten the. Be gentle with it. So I just put it here.
Cook at 350 for 15 minutes.
My pav is ready. Wow, look at that. So now the pav is ready. So I'm gonna soften the butter. I'm gonna brush a little bit the butter, make it a little shiny and tastier, more tastier than already is, and let it cool down. Then we will eat. I made a little bigger, but because my pan wasn't that sort of small, I could not do more than a 9. That's why they look a little bigger. That's okay. There you go. All butter on the top. Yummy. So there you go. My pav and bhaji is ready. Now the girls are gonna taste it. Okay, let me break it for you. There you go, Isha. You want to just hold on. They just want to eat like that. It's so tasty. Careful. Hot.
I'm gonna eat like this in a second.
How is it, Arya?
I'm gonna try tasting it a lot. Wow. Mmm. It's so good. The pav and the bhaji is really good.
Oh my god. I wish you guys can taste it. It's really good. Please watch my video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.